They call it China's answer to Davos. But instead of 3,000 of the world's elite finding solutions to global problems, China is presenting its most ambitious foreign policy project yet. A complex network of huge infrastructure and development projects backed up by trade deals. China is investing billions of dollars across 3 continents, and some are worried that trade isn't the only item on China's agenda. But President Xi has denied that Beijing is out to expand its political reach.
We have no intention to interfere in other countries' internal affairs, export our own social system and model of development, or impose our own will on others.
It's a massive project with 2 main legs. The first being the Silk Road economic belt, which consists of roads and railroads stretching from China across Eurasia, through Turkey and into Europe, while the other is the 21st century maritime Silk Road. That's a complex network of ports and shipping lanes starting in the South China Sea and continuing into the Indian Ocean, then through the Suez Canal and finally into the Mediterranean Sea. So 28 heads of state and high-level representatives from dozens of more countries are taking part in this first Belt and Road Forum. And every country is out for something. Some are looking for new infrastructure projects, while others are looking for trade deals. It's what China is calling a win-win scenario. While the U.S. is trumpeting an America First policy, others, like the UK, are looking for closer partnerships with the likes of China and are optimistic about the Silk Road concept.
Close and open trading partnership with our European neighbours, and at the same time pursue our ambition to secure free trade agreements around the world.
So, by creating what the Chinese are calling a big family of harmonious coexistence, it's a direct rejection of America's approach: more protectionism versus more globalization. The next decades may see which option is the correct one. Alican, Ayanlar, TRT World, Beijing.